Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to start the portion, that is chapter 1 shapes. Before going to the chapter, let us recall. So what is a point? What is a point? Point, it is the exact location on a space. Okay, we can denote it by the capital letter A, B, C. Like that we can denote it. Next one is line. When two or more points which are in the straight path, they are joined together, they will form a line, right? And it has a only length. We can denote it by A and B. Okay? And we can extend the line on both the sides, right? So this can be denoted by AB. That is, it is a line. Next one is line segment. What is a line segment? Line segment, it is a part of a line. Okay? It has a two end points and it has a definite length. We can denote it as A and B. And we can denote it as AB. Right? We call this one as a line segment. Next one is ray. Ray, it is a part of a straight line. It can be extended on both the sides. It has an initial point A and it can be extended only on the one side. We can denote this one as a ray AB. Like that we can denote it. Okay? About the angle. What is angle? It is the figure formed by the two rays sharing a common initial point. Right? Here are the two rays. This is the one ray, this is the second ray. Sharing a common initial point, this figure we can call it as an angle. So here it forms an angle. Angle can also be formed when two line segments cut at each other. Like, see here. The two line segments has a definite length, right? So when the two are cut at each other, then it forms an angle, right? This is angle. Like how we can denote it? We can denote it by this angle. I am going to show you angle DEF. DEF or angle FET. FED, or we can show this as angle E. So we can denote it like this. Okay. Now what is degree? The unit used to measure the unit used for the measurement of an angle is called as a degree. Like here it is forming an angle. So we can call this as a 30 degree. Like this one as a 120 degree. Like that we can call these things. So the unit used to measure, the unit used for the measurement of an angle, we call this one as a degree. The point which is shown above here, this is the degree. Okay. Then how we can form an angle? How the angle will be formed here? See here, children. We can consider angle as the movement of the ray. Like, see here. This is the first one. This is the first ray. Okay. And this is the second ray. Now it is here. Okay. Now it is here. And it is moving now. Okay. Now it is here. So here it is moving. Finally it reaches here. So angle means it is the movement of the ray to some distance, okay, and it will reach some final position here. So this forms an angle. This is how angle is going to.
Today, let's learn how to measure an angle. Let us begin by learning about the geometric instrument protractor. 1. A protractor is used to measure angles. 2. angles are measured in degrees. 3. Each tiny mark on the protractor shows 1 degree. It has markings from 0 degree to 180 degrees. We can read 0 to 180 degrees from left to right and also from right to left. 4. While measuring an angle, the central point is placed on the vertex of the angle. Now, let's see how to measure an angle. Measure the angle PQR. To measure an angle, we need to follow a 5-step process. Step 1. Place the central point of the protractor on the vertex Q of angle PQR. Step 2. Ensure that the 0 degree line coincides with one arm, say ray QR. Step 3. Count from 0 degree on the right side as ray QR points to the right side. Step 4. Read the degree measure that coincides with ray PQ. Step 5. Write that measure as the measure of the angle in degrees. Thus, we get measure of the angle PQR is equal to 75 degrees. Let's measure few more angles. Look at the figure. On measuring, we get the measure of the angle PIV as 90 degrees. Look at this angle. On measuring it, we get the answer as angle LMN is equal to 145 degrees. Wasn't it fun measuring angles? In the next session, we will learn.
Now we will study about the types of angles. Okay. The first one is zero angle. What is zero angle? If the initial and the final ray, both of them lie in the same position, we can call this as a zero angle, like O and A. Here the angle is not found. Initial ray and the final ray are at the same position. So this is the zero angle. Then what is an acute angle? It has the measure of 0 degree. We can call this one as 0 degree. And the acute angle, if the initial ray, okay, it moves at some distance and it becomes final ray. The final ray which lies between 0 to 90 degree. 0 degree to 90 degree. If the final ray, I can show it like this. If the final ray lies between 0 to 90 degree, okay, we call this one as the acute angle. If the final ray, this is the initial ray, and if the final ray lies at the 90 degree, from it is exactly at the position of 90 degree, we call this one as the right angle. This can be denoted like this. Okay, this is the denotation of the right angle. Okay, next one is obtuse angle. So, if the angle lies between 90 to 180 degree, right? This is the initial ray O and A. the final ray lies between 90 to 180 degree. Here it comes as a 90 degree, above 90, right? So 90 to 180 degree, we call this one as the obtuse angle. The angle which is having the measurement between 90 to 180 degree. We call it as an obtuse angle. Next one is straight angle. Straight angle, it has the angle of line. We can call it as also a straight angle. Okay, the angle formed between the initial and the final ray is 180 degree. Okay, this one we call it as the straight angle. It has a measurement of 180 degree. We can call it as a straight angle. Okay. Next one is reflex angle. Reflex angle. If the angle, see, if the angle between the initial ray and the final ray, it is greater than 180 degree. If it is greater than 180 degree, we can call it as then the angle formed here, it is a reflex angle. It is greater than 180 degree. Next one is complete angle. That is complete angle. See here, if the initial ray and the final ray, if the initial ray is here and the final ray, it moves like this and it comes back to its original position. Okay, then again it comes back to the same position. Initial and the final ray both are at the same position here. So the angle formed here, it is a 360 degree. It is completely 360 degree. One circle is going to form. So it is 360 degree, and the angle formed here we can call it as a complete angle. Right? This is the final ray and this is the initial ray. Okay? So these are all the types of